This is starting to look so good. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is the last and final episode of the ZX-6R rebuild. If you guys have not seen any of the previous videos, I will put the links in the description below. Now, I'm sure all of you are dying to see what this bike is going to look like, so without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so first off, you'll notice that I actually removed the tank again, and that's because the throttle cables, I initially put them through this side and they're actually supposed to go through this side because they were sliding against the cluster and it was causing an issue. But now that that's out of the way, let's go ahead and install the heat shield onto the fairings, and then we can start installing all the plastic pieces that need to go together. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so the heat shield and all of the parts that go together are installed. Now before I actually install the fairings onto the bike, I want to clean up all of this wiring, and then I want to install the integrated taillight and the whole rear end. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so it's actually the next day here. I finished putting on the tailpiece and the integrated tail light. Now I want to start putting the front fairings and the side fairings on, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is starting to look so good. I haven't tightened on the bolts just yet. I'm leaving them a little bit loose so I can fit the rest of the parts. But now that that's out of the way, let's install the tank and the rest of the fairings. Alright guys, so the bike is almost complete and it's starting to look really good. I still need to install the side fairings by the tank, the seat cowl, the tank pad, the knee grips, and the seat. You guys haven't seen what the seat looks like just yet. I've got the seat over here and it looks insane. I think this is going to match the bike perfectly. So let's go ahead and install the rest of the parts, finish her up, show the cinematic, and take the bike for a ride. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that cinematic. Now it's time to see what this thing is made of. Sounds good, feels good. Man, I love this thing. For a 600, this isn't bad at all. Alright guys, so the bike actually drives very good. Unfortunately, it just started raining on me, so I have to turn back and go back home. But I will say that the engine sounds good, the bike drives great. For a 600, I'm really impressed with what it can do, and I haven't been on a 600 for 6 years now, so this build was absolutely insane. So if you enjoyed this build series, give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button and turn on all your notifications. You can also follow me on Instagram. I have a new bike on the way, it's a 2014 R1. Until next time, peace out.